I would sub a baked potato for this in a heartbeat. Baked potato out, stacked, sliced potato in. Is this a viral sensation or is this just something you came upon?
I don't know, I saw it on Instagram. They're herbed potato stacks.
Stacked potatoes.
And we make them in the muffin tin.
I love potatoes. So we have this contraption. What is this?
That is a mandolin. Oh, and that is very sharp, so be careful.
We've never used one of these before.
Yeah, first time.
So put the potato in, push it through. So.
Oh!
And how many potatoes am I doing?
3 pounds of potatoes.
How many potatoes we got?
I don't know how many pounds that is.
Honey, you got 3 pounds of potatoes almost perfectly. And I'm excited to use the mandolin, although I'm a bit scared. I feel like it could do some pretty dangerous
You could
things.
just slice the potatoes very thinly with a knife.
No.
If you wanted.
We wanted a mandolin.
But we want to try the mandolin.
This is exciting. This is new. We have a new tool. Trying something different. Something demure. Yes, because I want to hold on like this.
You ready?
Nope. Mandolin lesson 1. No oversized item goes in the mandolin. This is somewhat being successful. I have an apprehension because of the newness of it all. Mandolin experience number 1 is complete. This was kind of fun. These potatoes look wonderful. They are all very symmetrical. I don't know why I'm spreading them out like this.
We are going to need to make the herb butter.
Herb butter.
See if this is about half a cup of butter here.
Yes.
We need that melted down.
In a saucepan?
With some rosemary and parsley and salt and garlic. And then we are going to put a little bit of oil at the bottom of each tin. So this is an avocado oil.
You put a little sprig in each?
And you can do this with rosemary or thyme. This is the melted butter with herbs. So now we're gonna put all the potatoes back in here and toss it with the butter. We're gonna stack.
Are we gloving for this or no?
Layers of flavor, honey, layers of flavor.
When does the cheese go on?
It gets sprinkled all around. Tin foil to wrap it.
Tin foil.
Cover tightly with foil and bake for 25 minutes.
Yep.
And then we're gonna remove the foil and bake for another 13 to 15 minutes more. These look great.
What do you think? They like settled in there very nicely.
Settled in. The potatoes were kind of big for this muffin pan. So I think next time we'd use smaller potatoes so that they would all fit in nicely.
How are they served? They're flipped over?
Oh, there, look.
Yeah. I love
This
a good
is
potato.
a nice side dish.
Beautiful.
Right?
Yes.
Not a traditional scalloped potato.
No,
It's
but
more
look, even like
butter.
look how it's like shingling. It's fork tender. I'm going in.
Okay, let's try this.
This was a garlic butter.
Garlic and herb, and then some Parmigiano. Does that meet up to your steakhouse expectations?
Yeah, that's good.
It's really good.
Stacked potatoes and butter with garlic.
Good.
This is a hit.